tigas. Yung gangster tigas. Yung upper tigas. Kidnapper tigas. Police tigas. Gagong sundalo tigas. Puro tigas lahat. So, nung na-mayor ako, sabi ko, paano ba ito? Patigasan tayo? Saan niyo gusto? Anong parte ng katawan natin ang gusto niyo patigasan? So, kung hindi ko ginawa ko sa Davao, kayong medyo maliit pa noon, bata pa. Hindi tayo gaganito. At na lahat, sundalo, police, gangster, halo-halo, ang mga putang yan. Itong headline, faces disbarment. Kawawa naman ako. Kunan mo ako ng lisensya, hindi na ako magpa-practice ng law. Ang out of job. Putulin ko muna ito dito. Ito, atin-atin lang tayo. You know, as kaming mga dumaan na, patanda na kami. Malapit na matigo. You name it, we have it. Cancer na. So, panahon na ninyo. I hope that really you will continue. This is really out of love for my country. Someday one of you here will be mayor, councilors, sikapin ninyo na at least to maintain yung dating order or to improve on it to the benefit of the people. Kami paalis na. We are just the passing scene. Just like my father who was governor for so long a time here. Padaan lang. Dumating kami dito. He was elected governor. Substantive kami. Any flash parang kahapon lamang. So, it is not far-fetched that some or all of you will have the responsibility.